Khasinews National Youth Movement ha ka khanriu tarik mata bnai nohprah 2024 kala phah da ka jingthoh sha Registrar ka Meghalaya High Court ban tuklar halor ka jingpyllait jong SP ka East Khasi Hills ya sopho Tylli ki Trok kiba ka seng Hnym ka yo bat ha ka khandai tarik bnai nohprah 2024 kiba kit Palat Pud ya ka metric ton kiba Iaid lyngba ka jingkieng umiam. Habaya kran sekilar pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club ha ka tarik bnai nohprah 2024 u President ke Hnym u ba Lewis dong ula ong ba kum ka seng ka Pynrem jur ya ka jingle jong SP ka East Khasi Hills ban plat ya kini ki saupho Tylli ki Trok ki ba kit palat ya ka metric ton ki ba Iaid lyngba ka jingkieng umiam ka bala senjor shu u ba Lewis ula ong ba u SP umdon kano ka jingkit kli la datua kani ka jingkieng umiam kipat ba basong shaka temri boy kin shaktat.
High Court of Meghalaya. The complaint is about the releasing of the SP to the 42 trucks on the midnight of 9 December 2022. So after we have captured them, so actually we have told the SP not to release them, but the releasing of SP to these 42 trucks, it seems like what the drivers and the truck owners they told us that they have to pay 2,000. After paying 2,000, then SP release them, all the vehicles. So after that, we saw that nobody is concerned about the umiam bridge. Even the SP, we have met with him personally. We have requested him. We have explained him about the weakness and of the umiam bridge, but he seems like he's not responsible for the people who is living down there. So after that, we saw that everywhere we go, even to the SP, even to the Meghalaya police station, there is no use. So after that, we hope that only the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya will help us to save the lives of the innocent people who is staying down there. Happened on the 9th of December 2022 that our members, Hynñiewtrep members from Meghalaya Circle, they have captured 42 trucks at Brio who used to fly through the umiam bridge. Though they are not reaching there, but we have seen that they have go down there nearby the bridge. So from our members, they have captured them. So after capturing these 42 trucks, we have confirmed the police, traffic police of Meghalaya police station. And at the same time, we have worked together with traffic police also to return back the truck from Brio to Meghalaya. So at that day, so many traffic jam had happened in Meghalaya area. So at the same time, after the returning of all this truck from Brio to Meghalaya bypass that ISBT points. So after reaching them, we have filed a complaint, FIR first information report to the OC of Meghalaya police station, and at the same time to the officer in charge of traffic police and law and order police, OC. So after filing of this FIR, we have given a copy to the SP of East Khasi Hills, but S. Nottingham. After meeting with him, we have requested him from our side that, sir, please do not release all these 42 trucks, because we want these 42 trucks to still staying there, not to move from there. Because unless the police is taken action to the trucks, our NGO or Hynñiewtrep will not allow anybody to move from there. But for surprise, after that, we have came to Shillong Press Club at around 3 o'clock like that, and 6 o'clock, all these truck owners, they have called us to meet with them. So I have asked them to come in our office at Meghalaya. After the meeting with them, we have instructed them not to go anywhere, just to be there and just stay there, because unless the police is taking any action, we cannot release anybody. So for conclude from our office, at around 10 o'clock, the owner of that truck, of that vehicles, they call us that the SP is giving them order that they have to move from there. So what we are surprised that the truck owners said that the police department taken from them 2,000 fine from each truck. One truck they have to give the police 2,000 rupees to release their vehicles. So after releasing, we came to know only after that only in the morning time. Of that,
So you want to say there is a corruption in the police department?
I don't
Taking
know.
the money of them.
I don't know.
That's illegal?
Maybe the truck vehicles, the truck owners, their documents, vehicle documents is not fulfilled or not like that. No. So, but they told us that the police had demand from them 2,000 from each truck to pay them. After paying the 2,000, then they release them.